Welcome to lecture number 18. This lecture is a part of the previous lecture because in that lecture we couldn't discuss cover letters due to the shortage of time. In this lecture we shall cover cover letters, what is the purpose of a cover letter, how long a cover letter should be, matching it with the job, how to write cover letters, what you should not include in the cover letter. So let's start our lecture. What is a cover letter? A single-page letter supporting your resume is called cover letter. It's a trend, so you should include it in your job application. Purpose of a cover letter. The basic purpose of a cover letter is to support your resume because it shows your qualifications, skills, and achievements, while the cover letter expands them and shows that why you would be a good fit for the company. You should follow given guidelines while writing a cover letter. Introduce yourself. Mention the job or position you are applying for. It is important to show that your experience and skills are appropriate for the job applying for. The cover letter should convince the reader to read the resume. Your cover letter should end with a call of action such as interview or meeting, etc. How long a cover letter should be? A cover letter should be short and concise because it's a summary of your resume. It should not be more than a page, matching it with the job. You should write new cover letter for each job you are applying for. It should make clear that what the job is and what is the requirement of the employer. You need to be specific about your education, skills, qualities, and experience. Develop a link showing that how your education, skills, and qualities match the job. How to write cover letter. Following are the 3 ways to make your cover letter more specific. Whom to address. Address a person instead of writing to whom it may concern. It takes little effort to find the name of the person but has good impact on the reader. In advertisements, you will find the name or designation of a person whom to send your applications. If it is not, then you can call them to ask whom to send applications. Find out more about the job. You can contact a relevant person to know more about the job. This information will enable you to make your resume and cover letter according to the job. You can ask different questions such as, does the job require teamwork? To whom the employee has to report? What kind of person you are looking for? What is the position description? Write down answers of the above questions to make your resume and cover letter specific and according to the job. How to write cover letter. Find out more about the company. Get some more information about the company to tailor your resume and cover letter according to the job. Here are some tips to follow. You can search information about the company through internet. Visit the website of the company. If the company name is not mentioned in the advertisement, then you can call the recruitment agency to know the name of the company. What should be in the cover letter? Here are some tips that what you should include in the cover letter. The name and contact details should be on top of your cover letter. Give your email address and contact number to get quick response. The email address should have professional impact. You should include the name of the person you are writing to with his position in the company and contact details. If you are feeling trouble, then you can call the company asking for required information. You should mention job clearly, that for which job you are applying for. Write a brief summary showing how your experience and skills match the job description. Cover letter, your name, your phone number, your email address, your mailing address, LinkedIn profile, portfolio, website optional. Hiring manager's name, company address, company phone number, hiring manager's email address, dear Mr., Ms., Mistress, hiring manager's name, opening paragraph that mentions years of relevant experience, how you found out about the job and why you are interested in the position. Make sure you use the correct job title here or else the employer will think you are sending out a generic cover letter. Body paragraph. Provide examples of your professional accomplishments, skills and work experience. These examples should tie into why you are the best fit for the role. You can include bullet points in this section to highlight your your greatest relevant achievements. Using numbers to outline these achievements make their significance more apparent to the hiring manager. Closing paragraph expresses your interest again and restates why you are the right candidate for the job. You can mention whether you prefer to be contacted by phone or email here as well. If you prefer phone calls, provide some times when you are available. Sincerely, best regards, your name. This is the structure of a cover letter. When you will put data according to this structure, then it will create a concise and short cover letter. What should not include in the cover letter? You should not include following things in your cover letter. It is very important to check spellings in your cover letter. You can ask your friends, career teachers, family members, or career counselors to go through the cover letter and point out mistakes or confusing items. Double check or proofread your cover letter to find out mistakes or types. You should not copy paste your resume in the cover letter. Keep your cover letter short and let the resume tell the remaining story. Don't include I too much in the cover letter because it is about how you can help the employer, not about you. You can apply for more than one job at a time. It is better not to mention that you have applied for other job. You have to convince your employer that you really want this job. It is understood by the employers that you have applied for more than one job. Thank you.